In this class, we will discuss question set, probable question set for our subject disaster management, 6th semester civil engineering. So chapter 1 टा है हमारा introduction. से तेरे 2 मार्क के क्वेश्चन जोड़ा गुड़ा को चांसेस अच्छे एग्जाम में आसे वैसे गुड़ा का है ला define hazard, number 2 define disaster, number 3 what is risk, number 4 what is vulnerability, number 5 what is mitigation, number 6 what is preparedness, number 7 what is community, number 8 what is awareness, number 9 what are various types of disaster, and number 10 simply explain risk, hazard, disaster and vulnerability by a snake bite example. So you have to take a snake bite example, okay, and explain from that example. You have to explain what is risk, hazard, disaster and vulnerability. Now 5 mark question. Number 1, define concept of risk and vulnerability. Number 2, differentiate between personal and community awareness. Number 3, write briefly about different types of disaster. Okay, এটা ଥିଲା chapter 1 ର 5 mark question. Then 10 mark का question कौन ଆସିବ ସେଟା ହେଲା explain in detail about disaster management cycle, जोटा को हमें DMC कहउचंते disaster management cycle. एटा ला 10 mark question. Okay, या सहित हमर chapter 1 is over. Question set. Now we will go to chapter 2, that is earthquake. सेतिर 2 मार्क का कोन क्वेश्चन आसी पारे. 2 मार्क के क्वेश्चन है number 1 what is earthquake, number 2 what is intensity of earthquake, number 3 what is reactor scale, number 4 what are Indian standard codes for earthquake. So earthquake ପାଇଁ को IS code follow करा हुए सेटा ला question number 4. Question number 5 ला how earthquake occurs. Question number 6 what is epicenter. Question number 7 what is focus. Question number 8 how earthquake occurs. Okay, question number 9 what is P wave and S wave. Okay, what is P wave and S wave. ठीक है, इटा ना 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन. 5 मार्क क्वेश्चन सला earthquake chapter रा जोड़ा कि चांसेस हो जाए एग्जाम में आसी वाला. Number 1 what are the elements at risk during earthquake. Number 2 write about earthquake hazard zones in India. Number 3 briefly explain the effect of earthquake. ये सब है हमारा 5 मार्क क्वेश्चन earthquake chapter. 10 mark question earthquake chapter है explain about main mitigation strategies and engineering practice for earthquake. Yes, it earthquake chapter question set is over. Now we will go for chapter 3, that is tsunami. 2 mark question है number 1 what is tsunami, number 2 what are the types of tsunami, number 3 write about cases of tsunami. Next 5 mark questions. Number 1 write about onset of tsunami. Number 2 what are the warning of tsunami. Number 3 what are the effect of tsunami. Number 4 what are the specific preparedness of tsunami. Number 5 how tsunami occurs. With this 5 mark questions are over. Now 10 mark question for chapter tsunami. Number 1 explain the mitigation strategies of tsunami. Okay, explain the mitigation strategies of tsunami. Next chapter 4 2 mark question. 2 mark question कौन आसिबो. Chapter 4 है हमरो landslide. से 2 mark question अछि. What is landslide, how landslide occurs. Chapter 5 कौन Sorry, 5 mark questions. Number 1. Briefly explain the onset type of landslide. Number 2. Mention in bullet points about various warnings during landslide. Number 3. What are the elements at risk during landslide? Number 4. What are the effects during landslide? Number 5. Write in brief about causes of landslide. Number 6. What are the hazard zones of landslide, and mention briefly about Indian landslides. Landslide chapter. Panchamakhya most probable questions. 10 marks questions now. Explain about mitigation strategies of landslide. Okay. Next. Chapter 5. Chapter 5 रहला cyclone. सेथरे हमर 2 marks questions है. Number 1. What is cyclone? Number 2. How cyclone occurs? Number 3. What is tropical cyclone? Number 4. What is mesocyclone? Number 5. What is polar cyclone? Number 6. What are the types of cyclone based on the wind speed? Okay. Then most probable questions from cyclone chapter that carries 5 marks are: number 1. Briefly describe types of cyclone. Number 2. Describe how cyclone occurs. Number 3. What are warnings of cyclone? Number 4. What are the elements at risk of cyclone? Number 5. Describe effect of cyclone. And number 6. What are the hazard zones in cyclone? Now we will move for 10 mark question from cyclone chapter. Number 1. Explain the mitigation strategies of cyclone in detail. Okay. Our next chapter is flood. 2 mark questions for flood are: number 1. What is flood? Number 2. How flood occurs? Number 3. What is flash flooding? Number 4. Write about hazard zones of flood and Indian floods. Okay. Now 5 mark questions. What are the types of flood? Number 2. Describe about the warning system of floods. Number 3. What are the elements at risk during flood? Number 4. What are the effect of flood? Next is 10 mark question from chapter flood, that is briefly discuss about the mitigation strategies of flood. Okay. Now we will move towards the next chapter, that is drought. 2 mark question from this chapter is: number 1. What is drought? Number 2. What are the causes of drought? Number 3. Briefly write about the types of drought. Okay. Next is 5 mark questions from chapter drought. Number 1. What are the warnings of drought? Second. What are the elements at risk during drought? Third. What are the effects of drought? Okay. Next, 10 mark questions from drought. Number 1. Write about mitigation strategies of drought. Okay. Next chapter is our forest fire. That is, now we will discuss about 2 mark questions from this chapter, forest fire. Number 1. What is forest fire? Number 2. What is fire triangle? Number 3. What are the types of forest fire? And number 4. How forest fire occurs. Now we will discuss 5 mark questions and 10 mark questions from this chapter, forest fire. So below this there are 5 number question. It may be 5 marks or 10 marks. Okay. Number 1. What are the forest fire damages in India? Number 2. Briefly describe about fire management system and organizations. Number 3. Briefly describe about community involvement during forest fire. Number 4. Fire management is needed. Number 5. What are the public policies and organization concerning fire? Next chapter is our other types of hazard and disaster. 2 mark questions. Number 1. What is chemical disaster? Number 2. What is industrial disaster? Number 3. What is epidemic? Number 4. What is pandemic? Number 5. What is heat wave? Number 6, how heat wave occurs. Now we will discuss about 5-mark questions. Number 1, what are the effects of chemical and industrial disaster? Number 2, what are the preparedness of chemical and industrial disaster? Number 3, what are the causes and effect of epidemic? Number 4, what are the risk reduction measures for epidemic? Number 5, what are the damages and effect of heat waves? Number 6, write in brief about the awareness of heat wave. Number 7, briefly describe about the forecast and warning of heat wave. And finally, our last chapter, that is policy, planning and institution for disaster mitigation. Now we will discuss about 2-mark questions. Number 1, what is policy? Number 2, what is planning? Number 3, what is mitigation? Now we will discuss about 5 marks and 10-mark questions. Number 1, role of policymakers in disaster risk reduction and course for specific action. Number 2, explain about institution arrangement in India about disaster risk reduction. Number 3, briefly write about national and state level institution in disaster risk reduction measures. So with this, I have completed the question set for disaster management subject 6 and civil engineering assistive division. Okay. There may be many more questions, but I have tried my best to prepare the set. Okay, if any suggestions, please comment. Thank you.